Alright, what's up guys? It's Danzes and I'm walking home from high school. Not just any school, but high school. No. Okay. This is called California weather. It rains all the time over here. See, look. We're in a super drought right now too. But
blessed we have this weather.
yeah, we're blessed by Satan to get this weather.
Okay,
And look at this. Oh god. That's called a sewer. Low battery mode. Right. So yeah. What do you want to say?
What's up, guys? It's Andre here.
Yeah, and
Columbus Valley.
yeah, don't tell them where we live. And yeah, screw you guys.